Hi, my name's Clay Curtin and my wife Barbie Curtin. We're from Evansville, Illinois. And these are our two 1987 GTA Trans Ams. This Trans Am was bought from my brother brand new from Lou Fuse in St. Louis, Missouri. He had it till 2007 and I bought it from him. It's got 36,000 original miles. Everything's original on the car. And that's got the 350 engine in it. And the other car that is its twins, it's the first of the twins. The other car is the second of the twins. I bought that car from a lady named Linda that bought it from Lou Fuse also. The cars were ordered together and they come from the same dealer. I got both bills of sale, both stickers, everything for the cars. And this car's only got 4,000 original miles on it. It's sitting on the original tires. And of course I haul it because the tires are older. And they're identical in every way except for the serial number. But the strange part about the car, this car come from the Van Niles plant, this come from the Willwood plant. So they came from separate plants when they were ordered together and they both made it to Lou Fuse and then they were bought 3 weeks apart. And now I own them both.
4,000 miles?
4,610 miles.
Wow.
Yes.
You want to pop the hood on one of these bad boys?
Yes, we can.
If you would, you do this? Tell me about the GTA.
Okay. Gran Turismo Americano. It is. This is a GTA Gran Turismo Americano. It's kind of like the IROC Z of the Pontiac. It's the upgrade of the Pontiac, the highest grade you could get in 1987, with the 350 tune port injection engine. Yeah, don't mind the towel on the floor. Let's keep the floor from getting dirty. All the interior in this GTA is original and nothing's been changed in it. It's all original and the car has 4,000 miles.
What made you buy two exactly the same?
Well, actually, it was funny how it happened. My brother had bought this one and I owned it, and then I saw this advertised on Marketplace. I went and met the lady, and come to find out they came from the same dealer. I got in touch with Lou Fuse. They said they figured they were ordered together at one time, because when my brother bought this one, he said both of them were sitting next to each other, and he said him and his wife, they said, well, take one of them. They're identical in every way. So he said, we just picked one. So this has got to be the other car. 3 weeks apart. And in the back of the car, I've got all the paperwork for each car. All the paperwork's the same in both cars, except different names of people who've bought the car. 3 weeks apart.